And staying on football, schoolboy football is on the brink of returning next month following government approval, and Jamaica's youth programs are heavily dependent on the players who emerge from that system. The club system should also have a vital role to play in that regard, but Montego Bay United owner Orville Powell says local clubs have been failing the nation's youth players. More in this report.
Cavalier capturing their first Jamaica Premier League title in 40 years with an average age of 22 is validation for where the sport should be heading on the island, according to Montego Bay United owner Orville Powell. However, the outspoken administrator feels professional clubs continue to fail the country with player development. The clearest indication of those failings for Powell has been during the pandemic.
So even our professional clubs in Kingston could have done some training with their youngsters, and now, because there's no youngsters playing in the football, there's no feeder program to anyone on our national team, and we continue to say we cannot afford it. When we were the only set of people that are afforded so much. Your club is fast approved, so you can have training sessions, etc., etc., etc. The protocols are all approved there. And that is where I'm saying we let down the youth.
Mobay United are due to return to the Premier League for the 2021-2022 season. And there's a feeling that the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, PFJL, is only responsible for the commercial aspect of the game. But Powell says that's false.
The MOU that this professional signed with the JFF, it is on three basic principles. Governance, I don't know where the governance is gone. You have governance, you have youth, and you have the commercial aspect of the thing.
Things could get ugly for youth players and their development should a clear path not be shown to clubs in due course, according to Powell.
Because if the football clubs themselves are saying that, listen, them can't afford it, because they are the ones that are managing themselves, and they are not, so they just simply say, no, we can't manage it. We can't manage it. And the JFF is scared of that, because we're going to end up with 4 teams in our premier competition.
And Powell says the country continues to miss out on a massive economic opportunity.
We have to move our women football. In the CONCACAF region, the CONCACAF has the #1 women team in the world. The women are being paid just like men. And we here in Jamaica don't think to have started the woman program to feed into that financial aspect of the thing. And we are saying that we are broke and we don't have any money.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.